and welcome back to the Tech Talk podcast. I'm Anya Siddiqui, and today's episode is incredibly special for me as it marks not just the completion of an amazing journey, but the beginning of a brand new chapter.
And I'm Laiba, excited and grateful to join all of you for this very special episode where we talk about evolution of TikTok and what's coming next.
When we started the Tech Talk podcast, it was just a simple idea, to create a platform where technology leaders, innovators, and real time experts could share their insights from with our customers and community. From episode 1 to episode 25, this journey has been nothing short of transformational. So, we spoke about everything: hybrid multi cloud, cybersecurity, AI ops, sustainability, IT operations, AI in ITSM, zero day attacks, and the list still continues. So, each episode was a learning experience for me, and as much as it was for our audience. So, but the biggest achievement is TikTok became a brand, a trusted voice, a platform that our audience looks forward to, and that's something I'm very proud of. So, some of the key highlights which I cherish is hosting 25 episodes consistently, bringing in experts from the companies like Infront, StrikeReady, H3C, Palo Alto, Veeam, Lenovo, Fortinet, and our own tech exchange experts. So, creating conversations that were not just sales focused but also educational, real, relatable, and interactive. So, hearing from so many customers who said TikTok helped them understand technology and better and even influence decisions. So, this journey has shaped me as a host, as a marketer, and also as a communicator. But every chapter must evolve, right? So, which brings me to the big announcement today. So, it's time for TikTok to grow more further with a fresh voice, fresh energy, and fresh ideas. And that is why I'm very excited to announce that Laiba will be taking over and leading the Tech Talk series too.
Thank you so much, Anya. I have seen the amount of efforts, passion, and consistency you have put into building the Series 1. It has set a strong foundation, and I'm excited to carry that legacy forward. For Series 2, the vision is very simple: make the conversation even more attractive, bring more customer stories, include hands on demos, use cases, real problem solving discussions, involve younger voices in tech, and spotlight new trends like Gen AI, workflows, identity security, and digital workplace transformation. And yes, involve the audience more with polls, questions, and community driven topics. Series 2 will have the same Tech Talk DNA but with a new rhythm.
That's a phenomenal idea, Laiba. And I will still be around supporting, guiding, and cheering for the TikTok as it grows. But the mic officially passes to Laiba.
And I'm honored to take it. Thank you, Anya, for building something a strong, meaningful. I promise to take the series to the new heights.
Thank you, Laiba, and thank you to everyone who supported Tech Talk from day one, our guests, our audience, our team, and everyone who believed in this initiative. So the podcast is not just mine; it's ours now.
Stay tuned. Series 2 of Tech Talk starts with very soon. Now, new topic, new guest, and new perspective. See you in the next episode.
Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep talking tech. This is Tech Talk, and your host signing off. Thank you.
Thank you.